everybody, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use a command line within Mint Linux. I'm going to be using version 12, codename Lisa, and this is a beginner's level command line tutorial. So just keep watching, and these commands have been around for years, decades. They've been valid in the Unix environment, Linux environment, and even in the Mac OS. You can open up a command line and use these commands. So the commands I'm going to show you today are just universal commands that everyone uses daily if they're doing any sort of command line use. So just keep watching and I'll show you how to do these commands and just some basic meaning of what they do and how they work.
The first thing you should do is open a terminal window. This will bring you to your command prompt. If you notice the $sign, that means you're a regular user, and it provides you some information on your command prompt. It shows you your username at your host name. The first command we're going to learn is the ls command. It is to list the content of your directory. Now if we give it an argument, ls minus l, it will give us a long listing of our directory, which will include the file permission, the user, the group, the file size, the date created, and the file or directory name. Now if you notice here, the user's data, the group is data, is created on February 19th. PWD will give you your present working directory absolute path. Now the file system is like any file system. Think of it as a tree. Now I would like to create a file. I'm going to use the vi command and give it a file name. This would open up a text editor for me. Also be aware there's a text editor known as Nano, which is more like a notepad. Vi is more of a command-based text editor. To copy a file, we just do cp, file name, and then new file. It will create two identical files. To remove a file, we're going to use the rm and the file name to remove one single file. To make a new empty directory, you use the mkdir command and the directory name. To view the content of a text file, go ahead and use the more command and then the file name. It will slowly display to you the information. To go through the file, go ahead and hit the space bar to proceed down the document and hit Q to exit out of the more command. Locate is a very powerful search command. It will allow you to search for any string and return to you all results where the string is contained within the file name. sudo allows any normal user account to run a command as super user, which is known as the root user. This is usually done for software installations and software updates. If you watch the prompt, you can see how to install the banner software with sudo apt-get sysv banner. Banner is just a command that is just useful for creating a message of the day file.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this clears up a little bit of how the command line works at a very beginner's level. So just start using command line today, and then I'll hopefully do another command line tutorial on a slightly more advanced topics next time. I just want to show you my awesome pen here. My mom gave this to me and I actually love this. I'm oddly fascinated by this little guy. Alright, well I hope this was helpful and I'll see you guys next time.